Hey folks, welcome to this video regarding using the OMNY card and the OMNY machine. Here's our OMNY card. First thing we're gonna do is touch start. And as you see, the interface is very simple. And we're gonna check our OMNY card. And it has $5.50. We're gonna reload the card. And let's do $2. Let's hit continue, and we're gonna select the cash option. So we insert the dollar bill. We are going to insert the dollar coin. And it's printing the receipt. So this is the receipt that it prints from the machine. So, and the languages that it has is Chinese, Italian, Russian, French, Korean, and Spanish. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching.